Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the December Double Shot Kit. So this month is all about Christmas. We have two Christmas collections. The first one is from Photoplay Paper called the North Pole Trading Company. And the second one is Fancy Pants Designs Cozy Christmas. So the great thing about getting these kits is you can get a little bit of all of the Christmas collections that you've fallen in love with without having to buy the entire collection. So these two collections also coordinate very well. You can see a lot of similar colors in this, so you can mix these together and make even more designs and more pages or projects. Along with your kit, you'll receive a recipe card for two double-page layouts. These are layouts that our design team designs for you, and they give you their cutting and assembly instructions, and then a full color photograph of their finished layout so you can create right along with them. We also have lots of challenges over on the Facebook group, so you can play along with those and be inspired there as well. So our first collection is the North Pole Trading Company from Photoplay Paper, and this revolves around Santa Claus. It kind of has an antique-y feel to it and just super gorgeous. So you're going to start with 2 sheets of white cardstock and 1 sheet of robin's egg cardstock. The 3 pattern papers you're going to get is this one called Be Joyful. It's the 3x4 cut apart. This gorgeous Christmas tree, and then I love this old Santa here. Santa, please stop here. Merry everything and happy always. May all your days be merry and bright. The bed and breakfast, that is too cute. The back is a red Christmas plaid. We have this paper called Frosty, which is snowflakes in all of the different colors. The back is a two-toned green leaf print. We have this paper called Noel, which is the different stripes on the diagonal. The back is a star print on that gorgeous soft blue color. So one more look at your pattern papers. For the embellishments, you're going to get the full 12x12 sticker sheet. We have a thin candy cane striped border, and then this one that has the berries and the evergreen boughs on the soft white. So you're going to see this collection mixes like white and the cream color, and you can absolutely do that. It works and it's gorgeous. Love this large title that we have, Merry Christmas. This builds a little tree. It says, we wish you a merry, bright, joyful, peaceful holiday. This would be cute on the front of a card. So if you have pieces left over, you could make cards with a lot of these icons. Would be adorable. All of the ornaments. So that is Photoplay Paper's North Pole Trading Company. Our second collection is Cozy Christmas by Fancy Pants Designs. So this is one I had not seen, but I am super excited about it. We're going to start with 2 sheets of walnut cream cardstock, 1 sheet of maraschino cardstock. Your pattern papers is this one called Under the Mistletoe, which has this beautiful floral bouquet. And when you look at the papers, to me, this would go really well for fall photos as well. The back is this houndstooth in the red. We have this paper called Plaid Tidings, which is a gorgeous soft plaid. And the back is, it's like a corduroy tan print. We have this paper called Checking It Twice, which is a sweater print with a little floral on it. I hope those are showing the detail. It's really pretty. And then we have the red and black buffalo check. This paper is called Checking It Twice. For your embellishments, you have a lot of embellishments to choose from. You're going to get 1.5 feet of the Fancy Pants tinsel. These colors will vary. That's the one that I got. You're going to get some enamel dots, which again, they will vary. I got the cream colored, and some wood buttons from the Fancy Pants collection. So again, all of these will vary. Then you're also going to get a fourth a pack of the ephemera pieces, and these are just too adorable. Love the little deer. I've got a string of lights and the old-fashioned Christmas tree. So that is Cozy Christmas from Fancy Pants. One more look at your double shot kit. Be sure to check out all the other kits available as well as individual items in the store. And then join us on the Facebook group and the blog. Join in some challenges, have some fun, show us what you're creating. We love to see what you create with your kit, so be sure to share them. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.